You've probably lived this exact moment. You head out for a run, you feel great, but after 15 or 20 minutes, a sharp pain hits your knee and forces you to stop instantly and walk back home frustrated. If this is happening to you, relax, you're not alone. You've run straight into the famous runner's knee, the #1 injury in the running world. And I know exactly what you're thinking. I guess I have to stop for a month, load up on anti-inflammatories, and sit on the couch. You couldn't be more wrong. In fact, that's the worst thing you can do if you want to get back to running. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest mistakes you're making right now that are destroying your knee, and the exact plan of what you should do today to eliminate the pain and get back to crushing miles without discomfort. Let's go. Let's start by eliminating the 3 things you must stop doing immediately because they're only making the injury worse. Mistake number 1, complete rest. My knee hurts, so I'll stay on the couch for 3 weeks. Idea is outdated, and science has made that very clear. Runner's knee usually appears because of a lack of strength in the muscles that stabilize the joint. If you stop moving completely, those muscles weaken even more. And when you put your shoes back on, the pain comes back stronger. Your knee doesn't need total rest. It needs adapted movement. Mistake number 2, masking the pain with anti-inflammatories. Taking ibuprofen before running is a short-term fix that creates a long-term problem. You're turning off your body's warning signal. The tendon is still taking the same impact. You just don't feel it. And step by step, you're damaging it more until it breaks for real. Mistake number 3, foam rolling directly on the pain. If your pain is on the outer side of the knee, typical of IT band syndrome, rolling directly over the inflamed area is pure torture. It doesn't help. It irritates it more. Use the foam roller on surrounding muscles like the quadriceps or glutes, never directly on the painful spot. Remember that. Now that we've removed the bad habits, let's talk about the real solutions that will bring your knee back to life. Step 1, strength training, especially the glute medius and the quadriceps. In most cases, knee pain appears because your hip is unstable and doesn't absorb impact properly. That causes your kneecap to move incorrectly and create friction. Exercises like glute bridges, Bulgarian squats, or lateral lunges build a protective shield for your joint. You don't need heavy weights. You need stability. Step 2, increase your cadence. Cadence is how many steps you take per minute. If your stride is long and slow, your foot lands far in front of your body, acting like a brake and sending impact directly into your knee. Shorten your stride slightly and increase your step frequency, aiming for around 170 to 180 steps per minute. You'll distribute impact better, and your knee will feel the difference immediately. Step 3, manage your load with the pain rule. You don't need to stop running completely if the pain is mild. Cut your volume in half. Run only on flat terrain. Pay attention to how you feel. If your pain stays below a 3 out of 10, and the next day you don't feel worse, your body is tolerating the load. That means you're healing while moving. Increase your volume by about 10% per week, and you'll be back to normal faster than you think. To make it even easier, here's a simple routine you can do at home in 10 minutes that will change everything. Exercise 1, single leg glute bridge. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Lie on your back, 1 foot on the ground. Lift your hips and squeeze your glutes. This activates your main shock absorber. Exercise 2, clamshell with resistance band. 3 sets of 15 reps per side. Lie on your side, knees bent, open your top leg like a shell. This activates the glute medius, the muscle that prevents your knee from collapsing inward. Exercise 3, isometric Bulgarian squat. 3 sets of 30 seconds per leg. Back foot on a chair, lower yourself and hold the position. This builds serious strength in your quads without impact. Do these exercises 3 times per week, and you'll build a titanium shield around your knees. Now listen carefully. Your knee doesn't get injured just because you run. It gets injured because you ask too much, too fast. Forget the couch. Forget the pills. Stick to this routine, and you'll feel your body adapting instead of breaking down. Now I want to hear from you. Where exactly does your knee hurt? Front or side? How long have you been dealing with it? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you fix your knee pain, hit like, subscribe so you don't miss future training breakdowns, and share it with that runner friend who's always complaining about their joints. Let's get back to crushing miles with titanium knees. See you in the next training session.